Have you ever been captivated by the beauty and wonder of the natural world? Do you dream of capturing those fleeting moments of a bird taking flight, a deer grazing peacefully, or a majestic lion surveying its kingdom? Welcome to the exciting world of wildlife photography. This beginner's guide will equip you with the essential knowledge and steps to start your photographic journey into the wild. Let's talk gear. While professional wildlife photographers often have top-of-the-line equipment, you can absolutely begin with what you have or with budget-friendly options. Here are the essentials. A Adsiller or mirrorless camera with manual controls gives you the flexibility you need. Even entry-level models can produce fantastic results. The most crucial piece of the puzzle for wildlife is a telephoto lens. This allows you to get close to your subjects without disturbing them. Start with a lens in the 200 to 300 range, or even a kit lens with a telephoto attachment. As you progress, you might consider longer focal lengths. Stability is key, especially with longer lenses. A sturdy tripod will help you achieve sharp images. Invest in a couple of high-capacity and fast memory cards so you don't miss any action. A comfortable and protective bag is essential for carrying your gear safely in the field. Optional binoculars can be incredibly helpful for scouting wildlife before you even bring your camera up. We'll explain some more about photography in part 2 of this series. See you in next episode. Please like, share, and subscribe.